Hey everyone. Interested in cryptocurrency but don't know how to begin? You're not alone. Today we are diving into the world of digital currency, and it's way easier than you think. Okay, what is cryptocurrency? Simply, it is a form of digital money that uses cryptography to secure the transactions, which makes it highly secure and more decentralized. Imagine Bitcoin, Ethereum, and 1,000 more as your new financial playground. These coins can be bought, sold, or traded on many different platforms. And believe it or not, we can do everything on our phones. Still, we need to do our research and know the risks before we jump in. Ready to take the plunge? Smash the like button and subscribe for more tips. Hit the bell and drop your questions in the comments so we can cover them in future videos. Thanks for watching.